Good evening, students. Today we will discuss about health center management. It is a very small class, just about what is health center management. Means introductory chapter of health center management. So, first of all, before starting this lecture, we will understand what is a health center, and then we will proceed to health center management. Health center is a building in which a group of health personnel have their office and where patients visit for management of their problem. So, the health center may be any building which is providing basically primary health care. A health center is equipped with the sufficient equipment and staff, that is health team, which provide health services to the people of particular area, means a community. In many countries where primary health care or universal health care uh, is provided and most people use these services, these are provided by health centers. According to WHO, a health system consists of all organizations, people and action whose primary intent is to provide or restore or maintain health. So, primary uh, health care is provided by these health centers all over the world. And while hospitals and other institutions, higher institutions, they provide secondary and tertiary health care. So, basic fundamental should be clear that these health centers provide primary health care and they have it have sufficient staff and equipment. These include efforts to influence and determinants of health as well as more direct health improving activity. So, what activities are to be accomplished in these centers? Just to improve the health or to prevent the illness. These activities, basically preventive and promotive activities, are to be done, and some curative health activities also carried out here. In India, healthcare system of primary health care include different health centers such as sub-health center, primary health center, and community health center. So managing these centers is discussed under health center management. So what is the definition of health center management? Health center management is defined as a process of utilizing the resources effectively in order to achieve objectives of the health center. It includes planning, organizing, staffing, coordinating, directing, and controlling the activities of health center by the available staff and using the available resources. What are the objectives of health center management? Basically, main objectives of health center management are to provide optimal support and comprehensive primary health care to the community. And second one is to manage physical setup of the health center so that people using the center facility have no problem or confusion. Okay, that's why we explain our students how we should uh, physically set up our different clinics like antenatal clinic. How we should we set up the antenatal clinic? How should we set up immunization clinic so that the client or community people who are coming to the center, they have no confusion and they can easily use the facility. Next objective is to achieve an acceptable standard of quality care, definitely, and to make the services more responsible and sensitive to the need of community, and to improve health status of the population. This is overall objective, and to facilitate the visit of attendants and visitors. So whoever is coming to the center, we should facilitate them. They should not find any difficulty in getting services of the health center. Apart from this, we should, by our main, then another objective of health center management is to improve the experience of the care and to reduce economic burden of the illness and to improve social justice and equity. And we, another objective, important objective, is to provide highest possible quality care in medicine as well as in nursing care who is attending the clinic or taking the services of health center. And another objective is to provide most comfortable and desirable environment on temporary substitution for the home to fulfill the basic needs of in the health center like eating, toileting, sleeping, even entertainment for kids. Every facility we should try to provide and to raise and pool the resources accessible to deliver the healthcare services. So, with these objectives, we should proceed for our health center management activities. This is small introduction about health center management, and now we will discuss these points in Hindi as well.